Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in the CEIR portal. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Central Equipment Identity Register website. This crucial first step ensures you are on the legitimate platform for reporting. You will find a clear, user-friendly interface designed to guide you through each stage of the complaint process. Always verify the website address to protect your personal information and prevent accessing fraudulent sites. To proceed, collect all the necessary information about your device. This includes the crucial 20-digit International Mobile Equipment Identity, or IMEI number, which is unique to your phone. Additionally, ensure you have your police complaint number, obtained after reporting the incident to law enforcement. These details are vital for accurate tracking and processing, significantly improving the chances of recovering your device. Having everything prepared beforehand streamlines the entire filing process. Once you have gathered your information, navigate to the block Stolen/Lost Mobile section on the portal. Here, you will meticulously enter your mobile number and the primary and secondary International Mobile Equipment Identity numbers, if applicable. Accurately specify the date and location where your device was last seen or taken. Finally, input your personal details, such as your name, address, and an alternative contact number for communication. Double-check all entries for precision before moving forward. After filling in your details, the portal will prompt you to upload supporting documents. It is essential to attach a clear scan of your official police complaint or first information report for verification. Additionally, upload proof of your device's ownership, such as the purchase invoice or bill. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered across the entire form. This crucial step helps prevent errors and ensures your complaint is processed without delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.